Now is where we're officially going to need those beads. So we're going to look over here at our instructions. They say, using a funnel, I've got paper funnels, pour a half a teaspoon of the water beads into each side of your necktie. Shake them down until they reach that center seam where we just sewed. Do not use more. The crystals hold a lot of water and swell many times their size. If you pack the pocket full, it can actually ooze out the fabric and make it slimy and kind of ruin it as you go. Okay, the goal is to keep the beads inside the bag or the tote and not all over the table or the floors, because then when the room gets mopped, it's going to be a gooey mess. Okay, we got a tube, right? This is open, this is open. I'm going to take one of the awesome funnels. I'm going to stick it in your fabric here. Make sure you pinch it enough that the funnel doesn't come back out. Now you need a half teaspoon. This is a half a teaspoon of your beads. So you're going to take the beads, make one scoop, level it off a little bit. Come bring it over in your funnel. Drop it in. Make sure it's all in the fabric and not hanging out here in the funnel. Take the funnel out. And then I like to press this way because it opens up the whole tube. Oh, I can feel. Here's some beads. Shake it a little bit. There we go. Shake it a little bit. There we go. Got all these beads down in here. And voila, I can feel them all right here. At this point, you could go and sew across this so they're trapped here. Your instructions say to take the other end and put your half teaspoon in here. So I'm going to go ahead and do both sides. If you do both sides, be exceedingly careful going back to your machine so you don't lose one end and suddenly have beads all over the floor. Once again, each of these spoons is 1 teaspoon. You only need 1 scoop. You're going to take a scoop, level it off a little bit, come bring it in your funnel, drop it in. Make sure none of it's in your funnel anymore. And then holding on to this end, because I already have beads in that one, I'm just going to carefully go like this. Make sure my beads have made it all the way down. There we go. Feel some right here. Going to make sure that all down here, right by your center line. Now, we're going to go back and we're going to sew right here, exactly like we sewed center. And right here, exactly like we sewed center. So the beads are trapped in this pocket and trapped in this pocket.